Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can censor a moving subject in a video using CapCut. So here I've already added a video to CapCut and I want to censor, for example, the face of the subject face in the video. So what you need to do is add two stickers on CapCut, and in here you can find it under the hot category, or you can also search by specific keyword censored. But I've already saved the sticker, so I'm going to just click on the save section. Here I've already saved this two. I'm going to use the circle one. Click on the sticker, click on the check icon, adjust the length to match with the clip, and I'm going to adjust the size first to cover the face, for example like this. And now click on tracking. Now select the area to track, so I'm going to select the face part like this, and now just click on start tracking. Wait for it to load, and now the tracking is complete and the result will go like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.